Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Our lesson today is hands-on. Multiply 3 factors. You have learned how to find the product of multiplication sentence with 2 factors. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to find the product of a multiplication sentence with 3 factors. Let's see how can we do that. Have your counters to start. Find 2 times 3 times 3 again. Look at the factors within the parentheses. 2 times 3. Use counters to create a 2 times 3 array to represent this product. Just like this one. 2 times 3 means 2 groups of 3. So we have 2 groups. This is the first group, the second group, and we have 3 counters in each group. Now, look at the factor outside the parentheses. It's a 3. This number tells us that we need to have 3 groups of 2 times 3 arrays. So, create 2 more 2 times 3 arrays so that you have a total of 3 arrays. Like this. Here we have, this is the first array. Now we need 2 more arrays. 3 means that we have 3 arrays. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. The same array will be repeated. So, 1, 2, and 3. Again, in the second group, and 3. Again, the same for this array. We have 2 groups of 3. So we will repeat 2 times 3 3 times. 2 times 3, and again 2 times 3. Now let's see how many counters do we have in all. Here we have 6 because 2 times 3 equals 6. Here we have 6 again, and here we have 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 12 plus 6 equals 18. So we have 18 counters in all. But to find this product without using counters, first find the product of the factors within the parentheses. Let's see how. Here we have 2 times 3. The product of these 2 factors is 6. Now we need to multiply 6 times the third factor, which is 3. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So the product is 18. Simply, we get the same answer. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. Now, please grade 3, be sure to write the correct answers on your book. Page number 513. Now let's apply another activity. Group the same factors another way. Find 2 times 3 times 3. Notice that the 3 numbers being multiplied are the same as in the build it activity. What is different? In the build it activity, it was 2 times 3 times 3. So what do you think, grade 3? What is different between this one and this one? Yes, the factors are grouped differently using the parentheses. Here, the factors between the parentheses are 2 times 3, but in this activity, they are 3 and 3. Let's see if the product of this multiplication sentence will be different or not. Again, use counters to model 2 times 3 times 3. Now, we will draw at the beginning the array of 3 times 3. So we have 3 groups of 3. So this group 1, 2, and 3. And we have 3 counters in each group, just like this. This is 3 times 3. Now we need to duplicate this array. We need 2 arrays of this. This is the first one, and this should be the second one. So we have again 3 counters in each group. So again we have 3 times 3 array. Now let's see how many counters do we have in all. Just as we said, we can find the product of the factors in the parentheses, between the parentheses. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 will be the same. So now 2 times 9 equals 18. So 2 times 3 times 3 equals 18. Notice that we get the same answer, grade 3. In the build-it activity, the product was 18. And now it's 18 again. So either way you group the factors, the product is 18. So interesting. Now, please grade 3, be sure to write the correct answers on your book, page number 414. And when you finish, try to solve these questions by yourself. We discussed them throughout the lesson. So try to solve them by yourself to check your understanding. And when you finish, you can check your answers here. Now let's solve the question number 4, page number 515. Here we have 3 times 2 times 2. First, we need to find the product of the factors within the parentheses. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and then 4 times 3 equals 12. So the answer is 12. And what if we find the product of these two factors? First, 3 times 2 equals 6. Now 6 times 2 equals 12. We get the same answer. So interesting. Let's see question number 5. Now 4 times 2 equals 8. Now 8 times 1 equals 8. Question number 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. It's so easy, right? Let's see question number 10. 4 times 3 equals 12. Now 12 times 2 equals 24. Excellent, grade 3. Now it's your turn, grade 3, so please try to solve these questions by yourself. When you finish, you can check your answers here. Now let's solve the question number 13. Group the factors another way. Group the factors another way, then find each product. Let's see the first one. 3 times 2 times 4. We need to group the factors another way. So we can group 2 and 4 now. So 3 times 2 times 4. Let's see. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now 3 is the same. 3 times 8 equals 24. It's so easy, right? Let's see question number 14. 2 times 2 times 4. We need to group the factors another way. So we can group these two factors. So 2 here and 2 times 4. We have the same factors. Now 2 times 4 equals 8 again. 2 is the same. Now 2 times 8 equals 16. Now it's your turn, grade 3. So please try to solve these questions by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. And the next 2 pages are your homework of grade 3. So please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. It's the end of grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.